One of the easiest and most known ways to check if you have a virus is either by using an antivirus software or Windows Defender. The problem with these methods is that they take several hours to make a full scan, and they take away a lot of computer resources, making the PC hardly usable while the scan is running. If you use this method every time you suspect that there is a virus on your PC, you'll probably crash out. However, there is a much faster way to detect if you have a virus on your PC. If you suspect that you have a virus, then download the game Osu. So this game right here, download this game. After downloading it, you open it up, then you go into the maps, and let's say you choose the map, choose a random map, right? Let's say, alright, now you make sure that your task manager is closed. So here, this task manager, let's close it, and then you start it. You start this map. But before you do that, you choose NF, so no fail, so that you don't die. Then you just let it play, and here, as you can see how many milliseconds it has. So right now, it has 0.25 milliseconds, approximately, right? So approximately 0.25 milliseconds on the bottom right here, as you can see. If I move it, it increases. This is normal, so this is expected. Now, we go out, Alt-Tab or Windows-D, and open the task manager. Right here. I put it on my second monitor, you will be able to see. And then, we start the same map again. Now let's see how many milliseconds it has. A little bit more, because Task Manager takes a minuscule amount of resources, but it's approximately like pretty much the same if you look at this, right? 0.25. If this was, for example, 0.1 this time around, I would know for sure that there is a virus on my PC. So if after opening the Task Manager the milliseconds go down, then you're guaranteed to have a virus on your PC. The reason for this is quite straightforward and kind of interesting. So the Task Manager is a program which shows all the tasks that are running on your PC. Some viruses, which are designed to be hidden, stop running or run very low-key once the Task Manager is opened. The reason for this is because you can see every task. If the virus would be running at full performance, then it would be easily able to be detected. And obviously a virus doesn't want to be detected, so it either closes or reduces the amount it draws from your PC once the Task Manager is opened. If this was not the case, you would be easily able to tell that you have a virus on your PC by looking at the Task Manager. So once you open the Task Manager, the virus stops taking system resources, which in turn gives also more performance to draw from your hardware, reducing the frame lag, also called frame time. Something that you need to keep in mind is when you do this in Osu, you need to have this setting on, so unlimited FPS, so that this actually works. So the more resources the virus uses in the background, the more easily it will be detectable with this method. This is especially effective for minor viruses, because they are designed to take as much performance from your PC as possible without you noticing, in order to mine cryptocurrency, which the hacker then can use for themselves. However, this method would not be as effective for viruses like keyloggers, which record what you type in your PC, or other viruses which only take minimal performance. You might think that this is a highly experimental method and is only theoretical, which it is not. I've already used this in order to find a minor virus on a PC in a few minutes. After ensuring that there was in fact a virus, which was trying to hide itself from the Task Manager, the next thing that was done was to run Windows Defender full scan, and with that the virus was removed. The reason why you don't run a Windows Defender full scan from the start is because it takes several hours, while the method mentioned only takes a few minutes. So this method is like a scout that tells you, yep, there is in fact a minor virus on your PC, but we don't know where. After which then you use the Windows Defender full scan to locate and delete the virus. So this is a method that I developed, or at least with the Osu thing that I developed. I have not seen it anywhere else. However, it is a really easy method, One thing that you gotta keep in mind though, it does not guarantee that you don't have a virus if this method works. So if the milliseconds at the bottom stay the same, it does not necessarily mean that you don't have a virus. The most effective case in which this is used is when your PC is lagging and you have issues and like it's freezing and you're like, do I have a virus? This is the scenario where it is the most effective to use this. So if you have a question, if you have doubts about if there is a virus, if there is a hidden virus on your PC that takes away your resources, then this is the best method that you could use easily in like a few seconds. Just one thing that you gotta make sure is to enable the FPS counter. It may be possible that it doesn't show in the corner if you have this disabled. So this and unlimited FPS. If this has helped you, then definitely write in the comments. This is a really fast and effective method. Make sure to stay safe and don't download CS2 hacks. Like, what the hell?